Thank you for joining today. Let's start by discussing application portfolio management. Can you explain what the main purpose of using APM in an organization is?
Yes, sure. APM is used to gain a clear understanding of the applications within your organization. This helps in identifying the redundancies and decreasing the budget cost. Basically, we are optimizing the budget here for the applications who are very much necessary and are being used properly. It also aids in deciding whether to modernize or upgrade the applications, especially those within the same business functions.
That sounds essential. What are some common business challenges that APM helps address?
Yeah, application portfolio management help in addressing various issues, several challenges, including the redundant applications for similar functions, the increasing cost of maintaining the application, the demand to upgrade the outdated systems, and the conflict between in-house legacy applications and vendor-provided applications. So all these challenges have been taken care by APM.
Great. I see that APM involves managing digital integrations. How does APM handle digital integration between business applications?
Yes, in APM, digital integration represents the connection between a consuming and a providing business applications. It tracks metadata such as integration name, version type, data flow, direction, middleware which is used. Okay, so all this ensure a smooth interaction between the connected systems.
Interesting. Let's dive into how APM helps rationalize applications. How does it assist in rationalizing business applications?
APM allow organizations to evaluate application score through business capability lens. It also uses a bubble chart to help to decide whether to invest, sustain, or to replace application based on multiple indicators, aligning them with business goals.
I see. And when it comes to defining standards for software products, how does APM handle that?
Okay, yeah. APM uses the technology reference model TRM. This module is there to define and enforce software standards. It also allows organizations to specify which software and versions are approved for use, and it helps in tracking and managing unapproved software products in the production environment.
Sounds like a thorough system. Can you explain the role of the APM portal and what features it provides?
Yes, we do use APM portal, and the APM portal give enterprise architects a landscape view to all the business applications there in the organization. It offers modules like business portfolio, information portfolio, application portfolio, and technology portfolio. And it allow all these things will allow easy navigation and analysis of the organization's digital assets so that you can have good decisions on time and with the right information.
Very useful. Let's move on to the integration side of APM. Can you share how APM integrates with other ServiceNow modules?
Yeah, APM integrates with several ServiceNow modules or applications such as Project Portfolio Suite, okay, financial management to assess the cost, ITSM for handling incident and problems, Agile Development 2.0 for managing applications throughout the lifecycle.
That's quite comprehensive. Now, how does APM help assess business applications?
Yes, APM assesses business application across dimensions like cost, quality, risk, user satisfaction, and alignment with business objectives. These indicators help in making informed decisions about the future of each and every application. And your portfolio will be a very robust one.
And how does APM handle dependency views for business applications?
APM use dependency view to graphically display infrastructural relationship between CIs and the business services it is supporting. It allows architects to understand the interdependency between different parts of the system.
Finally, could you explain how the software model suggestions engine works within APM?
In APM, the software model suggestion engine scan hardware configuration used by application services. It retrieve new software models and compare them with the previous result. So the complete comparison is going on here. After that, it suggests the appropriate software model for association with the application service, ensuring the most up-to-date and relevant software to be used.
Let's continue. How does APM help in managing the life cycle of hardware and software models within an organization?
Yes, APM track hardware and software model through technology portfolio. It allows organization to view the life cycle status of these models, helping to identify which one are high risk and need attention. Okay, especially when they are linked to business applications.
That's helpful for keeping systems up to date. Can you explain how APM supports the decision making process regarding whether to invest in, sustain, or replace an application?
Okay, yeah. APM uses business continuity planning and application assessment framework to evaluate the applications. It provides insight through indicator like cost, performance, alignment with business need. Based on this evaluation, APM recommend whether to invest in, sustain, or replace the application. The whole decision making is based on data, and that is accurate data.
I see. When managing business applications, how does APM handle the import and transformation of data?
So in APM, you can manually record details of the business application or import them from spreadsheet or a third-party tool. All sort of options are available here. It uses data sources and transformation mapping to organize and assess the imported data efficiently.
That sounds quite flexible. How does APM integrate with the CMDB for tracking application relationships?
Okay, yeah. As I already told that APM integrates with CMDB by establishing a relationship between business applications and other configuration items. This helps in tracking dependencies between applications and the infrastructure and provide a comprehensive view of how they are interconnected with each other and all the dependencies, all the necessary information.
Speaking of integration, how does APM handle the relationship between business applications and the services they rely on?
So APM establishes a CMDB relationship between business applications and application services. This ensures that the business capabilities are supported effectively by linking applications to the right service. Along with this, the suggestion engine also help in associating the right software model to these services.
That's a smart way to automate things. What role does the application landscape dashboard play in APM?
So we have the application landscape dashboard in APM that provide a visual overview of the application portfolio. It allows enterprise architects to analyze application by category, family, and other filters to understand the distribution and performance of the application across the organization.
And how does APM assess risks and compliance for applications?
Yes, definitely. The risk assessment is a important factor. APM offer a risk and compliance overview as well, which require a specific role to access that thing. Okay, so you need that role, and this feature help in assessing the application risk and ensure that they comply with the organization policies and regulations, and it contribute to better governance of the application estate.
Good to know. When it comes to business capabilities, how does APM help with capability mapping?
Okay. APM support capability mapping through business portfolio section. It also provides an hierarchy map that shows business capability, its sub capabilities, helping organization to align their applications and services with the business goal. So complete visualization is available in this particular map.
Excellent. Could you share how APM handles unapproved software products in production?
Yes, as I mentioned earlier that APM uses technology reference model to track unapproved software products. So you can track from it, you can report from it. And this TRM help in managing and monitoring the software that is not yet approved. Okay. And it is allowing organizations to maintain control over the software product used in the production environment.
How does APM help optimize the cost of managing applications?
Yes, all these things what we are doing in APM are there to reduce the cost. So APM optimizes the cost by identifying the redundant applications, reducing spend on non-critical applications, highlighting the areas where application need more modernization and upgrade. Okay. So by consolidating and rationalizing these applications, it helps organization to reduce overall cost and improve the operational efficiency as well. Okay, so all these things are there. Okay.
Thank you for those insights. That wraps up the interview. You've explained the key concepts very clearly.
Thank you so much.